Welcome to our video tutorial where we'll explore how to export STL files from FreeCAD to GLB format. If you're working on 3D modeling projects, chances are you've encountered situations where you need to share your models in different formats. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the process of exporting STL files from FreeCAD and converting them to GLB format. So, why do we need to export STL files to GLB? The main reason is that GLB, DL transmission format, is an optimized file format for 3D models, especially designed for web-based applications. It's a binary format that compresses the data, making it more efficient for sharing and loading online. On the other hand, STereoLithography files are widely used in 3D printing and modeling software, but can be quite large. To start the export process, let's assume you have your 3D model ready in FreeCAD. The first step is to ensure that your model is properly prepared for export. This includes checking the units, ensuring that the geometry is correct, and verifying that there are no errors or warnings. Next, navigate to the File menu in FreeCAD and select Export. In the Export dialog box, choose STI as the file format. Before exporting, make sure to check the export options. You can choose between ASCII and binary formats. For most cases, ASCII is fine. Also, ensure that the units are set correctly. Once you've exported your STL file, it's time to convert it to GLB format. There are several tools available online that allow you to do this conversion, including online converters or software like Blender. For this example, we'll use an online converter. When using an online converter, simply upload your STL file and select the desired output format as GLB. Depending on the complexity of your model and the size of the file, this process might take a few minutes to complete. After conversion, you can download your new GLB file. To recap, here are the key points we covered. Why converting STL files to GLB is important for sharing 3D models online. How to prepare and export an STL file from FreeCAD. The process of converting an STL file to GLB format using an online converter. In this video tutorial, we walked through the steps involved in exporting an STL file from FreeCAD and converting it to a more web-friendly GLB format. This process can be quite useful if you're working on projects that require sharing 3D models online. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps covered, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Also, if you found this video informative and helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more tutorials and tech-related content. Thanks for watching.